Alright, so watch what happens when I press start. Well, first of all, let's turn it on. Nothing happens, so it's got to be on. And then it works. Pancakes! So if I flip it off, then back on, nothing happens. So that is the safety feature. That's awesome. Look, nothing, 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 nothing. Okay, 3-speed. Off. On. Off. On. Off. Nothing happens. So you can't, if it's here, if it's on this setting, you can't accidentally, you're picking it up, can't screw it up, can't accidentally turn it on. That's awesome. Thumbs up, big thumbs up. Safety.